Hi, I'm a.bouja with Golden Gate Sotheby's International Realty. Today we're in the heart of downtown San Jose, located at 400 North 1st Street. Please come inside and take a look. This amazing home has 1 bedroom, 1.5 bathrooms spread across 1,292 square feet of sun-filled living space. Enjoy a secure building, private parking garage with 2 assigned parking spaces and amazing views from the 2nd floor balcony. Look at this amazing sun-filled kitchen. Granite countertops, shaker door panels, top and bottom, all Whirlpool stainless appliances. You can imagine starting every day with a hot cup of coffee in the beautiful sunlight. I'm a.bouja. Thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me directly.